Welcome to the wild wonders of Southern Africa, where you get swept away on a magical safari. A journey that takes you to places and animals very few have gone before. Subscribe and join the Wild Wanderer family today.
Hi there, Wild Wanderers, and welcome back to another exciting episode of the Wild Wonders of Southern Africa. So in today's episode, we're going to go do some birding, and let's try and see if we can identify all 25 different bird species that I'm going to show you. So I'm going to number each one, and then at the end, I'm going to give you guys the answer. So let's try and see if you can identify each one. In the comment section below, number them and try and see if you got it right. And check yourself at the end and see how did you score out of 25. So today's one, it's an easy one. So it's one for every single birder out there to try and see if you can get all 25.
Aan deze kant, ja.
Die inpaden.
Ja, komt ja. Oké, nee.
Inpaden hoort het. Ja.
Ja. Mooi.
Okay.
puussa?
Ai tossa puussa.
Niin pikkusen ja mitättömän näköinen lintu kuin olen osa.
No onko se hieno?
On vähän harvinaiset, niin tein sitä vähän huomaa.
Ai tossa puussa.
Joo, tässä
Siis tuossa.
kuolleet oksia siinä.
Right guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's quick bird quiz. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and remember to share this with all of your birding buddies. And as always, I'll have a video out for you guys every Sunday. So remember, subscribe and click follow. I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.